go. 88. 88s. 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 Come on, man. We started early so we can get down there.
Mama, I love you. P.O.P. Hold it down.
Let's go, baby.
P.O.P. Hold it down.
Hey guys, Payout Pete here, back with another trade review for today's January 8th NQ futures session. Well, if you saw yesterday's video, we peaked above. We peaked above this high time frame resistance that we've been selling off from five or so times now. Try to enter in above October's auction area, which is access into this bulk of volume. And we fell back underneath it for the rest of the day, and we actually closed pretty much back underneath resistance. And so this morning I woke up and I saw the market dump back into this same D-shaped high time frame balance that we've pretty much been playing for quite some time now. The only difference is today I did a couple things that are different, and I want to jump into the lower time frame to show you. So let's hop on into the 5-minute chart here. The first trade of the day for me was trying to go long after this reversal candle here at 7 a.m. It tapped into the high time frame LVN and printed this, and so I was interested in getting longs after seeing this reversal candle. I put my limit order at 88. Obviously, as you can see, it never got filled. After this rip up, I put a limit order 88, and it just never looked back. It just went straight up. But it left behind a piece of information that I typically like to trade. If I go over to my 5-minute footprint, you'll see that the 7 a.m. bar left behind a POC within the bar. And what I found is that these POCs within the bar will typically be revisited again, and it's going to be revisited after it reaches the 9 or the 20, somewhere between the 9 and the 20 EMA, which is the reason why I went short twice in this area. I got short twice here, got stopped out pretty quick, and then I sat on hands until I saw some major selling come in, which was confirmed by this 730 bar. I should have just gone the right side of the V, which is simply a concept where instead of getting in on the left side of the V, you're getting in on the right side of the V. If you just draw a V, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. There wasn't any selling. There's no red bar that closed yet. I got really eager because of the risk to reward on this trade to target 88, which was down here. Eventually, a massive red candle printed, and so I had to set a limit order out here. And I left my desk, came back right at the right moment, and I had to chase it a little bit just because I saw volume and pace pickup, and selling was sort of stepping in. So I moved my entry down, risked about 24 points, which is fine for 4 micros for me. And then I peeled some off at 2 and 3R, and I held the last one from this initial trade to 88, which was the POC from 7 a.m. So if you take a look at it now, it tapped it and it just reversed. Doesn't happen all the time. Typically it could tap it and just go straight down as well, but just so happened to tap it and V-shape from there. I did add on the trade down on the same idea that, if we're going to go trade 88, I need to get my size back on. And so I jumped the gun early, got a little eager again, got stopped out at 640 on this ad here. And so I just waited till it traded overnight low, and I looked for that same information. We traded overnight low, and then there was a reoffer that sort of dumped us about almost 20 points. So then I set a limit order where I can manage risk at 64. Peeled most of it off at 2R because, again, just have to manage risk. This whole area, this auction area from 610 to 630, 635, just kept, it just couldn't trade through. So I peeled it off, peeled off my ads there. And that's how the last one. So I hope you guys stick around for the rest of the video. The rest of the video is going to be me trading and holding this thing live and my thought process as we go along. Thanks for watching, guys. Guess I'm not getting filled. It kind of just bounced off of this area here, this yellow zone area here. And then just never looked back. It just kind of ripped up and I never got tagged in, so it is what it is. Let's see if I can get short here. They kind of like swept into this this cliff here, left some thin volume, so I think, I don't know, at this spot we might revisit. Let's try, I'm gonna try 4 micros here, risking 14 points each. Oof. I'm dead. Let's try it one more time. Fuck. Third try here. Let's see, I'll put the limit order out if this candle can close red. I don't want to get caught in the middle of something. Looks like selling is actually coming in now and being rewarded for it, so kind of just set my limit order here. Just looking to see if they can come back and tag me in up here on the other side of this sort of chop here. That way I can get in on this rollover.
Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the time. Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the time. Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the time.
Gonna try to add 4 more here and we get stopped out. Perfect. I'm gonna try to add again here. Peel 2 off of my ads here. That'll pay for the trade and then some. Fuck. Covered another. I covered all my ads there. This area keeps it's the taper of the profile, and they just don't want to sell through it for now, I guess. So I'm just back down to my original runner. Let's go. 88, 88s, 88s. 88s. Come on, man.
Mama,
We started early so we can get down there.
Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the time.
Let's go, baby.
P.O.P.